What is the purpose of money?
1,000 rupees and compound it for 50 years. You are 100% confident that the value of that same asset tomorrow will be either 1 crore or higher.
So we'll start with the first one, emergency funds.
Where they used to manage 400 crores at that point in time.
Hi, I'm Srichana. I've been part of the Intraday expert community meet today, and it was a great experience, and I could actually understand that anybody can trade with the help of the community, and I'm very delighted to be a part of this meeting today.
Hi, myself Akshay. I came for the meeting done by Intraday expert today. So it was very nice meeting all my peers for the first time. I got to know better things in trading and investment purposes.
So finally, we concluded the first ever offline meetup. After 6 years of entrepreneurship, I think this is the first time I did an offline meetup kind of setup. And most importantly, it was a quality group that came in and shared all their experiences. We discussed everything from mutual funds, money, emergency funds, real estate. So all in all, I think we had a really good Sunday, and looking forward to hosting more events like this.